kind of doesn't really care.
Now she want to send him back to school.
She might next year. The older ones are pretty good.
You think he's gonna what?
Not the older one, I think he's getting bullied.
Oh. I see.
Because he's hanging out with the wrong crowd.
Probably.
Two kids that make them do things and it's against like the rules. Silly stuff. Is there, yep, 9 o'clock.
But you know me, I'm not starting till 9:05.
Someone will come in 10 minutes later.
Yeah.
We have that,
Okay, all right. What?
we have that problem. Here.
That they come in 10 minutes.
What's up?
What's up? Hello, Nelson. All right. Thanks for stopping by.
Yeah.
Have a fabulous day.
You too.
Thank you very much. Hello, Nina. Hello, Nelson. Hello, Akeem. Hello, Karen. Hello, Brian. Hello, Devon. Hello, Carl. The world champion tongue twister got arrested. I hear they're going to give him a tough sentence. Pollen is what happens when flowers can't keep it in their plants. A book fell on my head the other day. I only have my shelf to blame. Communist jokes aren't funny unless everyone gets them. Geology rocks, but geography is where it's at. I buy all my guns from a guy called T-Rex. He's a small arms dealer. My friend's bakery burned down last night. Now his business is toast. Hello, Alex. 4 funks walk into a bar. The bartender says, "Hey, we don't want your type in here." If you don't pay your exorcist, do you get repossessed? When the cannibal showed up late to the buffet, they gave him the cold shoulder. Hello, Joel. Hello, Eni. Hello, Maya. So in one of my other classes, I got an email from a senior. A senior. Senior said, "What can I do to get my grade up? I'll do any extra credit I can do." I'm like, "Do your work." So these emails bother me when people send me an email that says, "How can I get my grade up?" Do your assignments. Click on your grade book, click on the assignment and do it. I'll give you credit. So I don't want any more emails about what can I do to get my grade up. All right. This is the 3rd quarter now. By now, all you need to know is that I give you credit for doing your work. So do your work, you'll get your credit. If you don't, you won't. Simple as that. And by now, you should know that you could get 100% in my class if you want. If you don't do it perfect the first time, you can do it over again and again and again and again till you get 100. So that being said, by the way, you need to know that 3 weeks from yesterday, March 22nd, today's March 2nd, March 22nd is the last day I will take any past due assignments because the quarter ends in 4 weeks from yesterday, the 29th. The quarter is about to end. So in 3 weeks, March 22nd, 2 o'clock will be the last day for past due assignments. I will not take anything after March 22nd. Okay? Just so we're clear about that. You want to make sure you do well in my class, do your assignments. That's it. That's all there is to it. It's all about the assignments. And I give you plenty of time in class to finish each assignment. You shouldn't have to do them after class. There's time during class. And there is substantial amount of time during class to complete your assignments. No one should have to do assignments after class period time. All right. Good morning, Carl Berry. Good morning, Doris. Today we're going to do area of triangles and rectangles. Okay. All right. Area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. 1/2 base times height is the area of a triangle. So if you do 1/2 of 7 times 5, you will get 17.5, and we say square inches. Okay. 7 times 5 divided by 2, 17.5. 1/2 of 8 times 10. 8 times 10 is 80, divided by 2 is 40. We say square centimeters, or centimeters squared. There you go. Area of a triangle. Area of a rectangle is just base times height. 9 times 4, 36 square feet. There you go. Can I have a thumbs up if you're okay with that? Morning, Zakaya. Nina, thank you. Amaya, Carl Daniels, thank you. Alex, Zakaya, thank you. Karen, thank you. That's it. Carl Berry, thank you. Eni, you good over there? Oh, show it again. It glitched. Okay. All right. First, we got area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. The base is 5, the height is 7. 7 times 5 is 35. 35 divided by 2 is 17.5. And we call it square inches. 8 times 10 is 80, divided by 2 is 40 square centimeters. Area of a rectangle. Base times height, or length times width. 9 times 4 is 36 feet squared. Okay. All right. How about this? Here's what your problems will look like today. The area of a triangle is 6.75. What is the length of the base? All right. So area, oh, that's not going to work. Area equals 1/2 base times height. All right. It says area is 6.75. So 6.75 equals 1/2 base times 3. All right. I'm going to do half of 3. Half of 3 is 1.5. So I'm going to take 6.75, and that equals 1.5 times b. I'm going to divide by 1.5. So what is 6.75 divided by 1.5? You get 4.5. Oops. B equals 4.5. Okay. Can I have a thumbs up, please, if you understand how I did that? Nina, Devon, thank you. Carl Daniels, Amaya, Brian, thank you. Thank you, Alex. Thank you, Carl Berry. Thank you, Nelson. All right, all right. Very good. Next. Oh, boy. What the heck is going on here? Sorry, hold on a second. All right, here, what is the area? Okay. So area equals 1/2 base times height. Area equals 1/2 times 1/4 times 1/6. So 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 4 times 6 is 48. Area equals 1/48. There you go. Easy. What's the area? Once again, area equals 1/2 base times height. Area equals 1/2 times 8.6 times 5.4. What is 8.6 times 5.4 divided by 2? Okay, 8.6 times 5.4 divided by 2 equals 23.22. Please stop me if you don't understand what I did here. Okay. All right. Yes, thank you, Devon. When you divide by 2, that's the same as times 1/2. Okay, 1/2 is the same as divide by 2. Okay, over here, area equals 1/2 base times height. Here it's telling you the area is 3/40 equals 1/2 base times 1/5. What's 1/2 times 1/5? 1/2 times 1/5 is 1/10. 3/40 equals 1/10 times B. Okay. I'm going to divide both sides by 1/10. So 3/40 divided by 1/10. I'm going to do 3/40 divided by 1/10. When you divide with fractions, you flip the second one. It's going to be 3/40 times 10/1. Okay. That's how you divide with fractions. I'm going to flip the second, and I'm sorry, I already flipped the second one. I'm going to cancel. 10 goes into 10 once, 10 goes into 40 4 times. I need you to stop me if you don't understand what I just did there. Okay. So 3 times 1 is 3, 4 times 1 is 4. My answer is 3/4. Okay. Got to stand up. I'm sitting too long. No good. Okay. The area of the triangle below is 33.12. What's the length of the base? Okay. Once again, area equals 1/2 base times height. They tell you the area is 33.12. So 33.12 equals 1/2 base times 7.2. So I'm going to take half of 7.2. I'm going to do 7.2 divided by 2 equals 3.6. So I've got 33.12 equals 3.6 B divided by 3.6. So 33.12 divided by 3.6 equals 9.2. There you go. B equals 9.2. Okay. Easy, man. Easy like Sunday morning. What's the area? Area equals 1/2 base times height. Area equals 1/2 4/3 times 5/3. 1/2 base times height. Looks like I did height times base. That's all right. Okay. I'm going to cancel 2 and 4. 2 goes into 2 once. 2 goes into 4 twice. So now I multiply 1 times 2 times 5. 2 times 5 is 10. And I multiply 1 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. There's my answer. Just leave it like that, 10/9. Easy. The area is 3/16. Height is 1/2. All right, area equals 1/2 base times height. They're telling you the area is 3/16 equals 1/2 base times 1/2. 1/2 times 1/2 is 1/4. So 3/16 equals 1/4. B. I'm going to divide by 1/4. So I'm going to do 3/16 divided by 1/4. Okay, and that means I'm going to flip the second one. 3/16 times 4/1. I'm going to cancel. 4 goes into 4 once, 4 goes into 16 4 times. So 3 times 1 is 3. 4 times 1 is 4. So the base equals 3/4. Okay. All right. Rectangles. Okay. This is very, very easy. Watch, as long as you watch. If you watch carefully, it's easy. All right. Area equals length times width. Here, they're telling you the area is 144, right? So we got to figure out what this guy is. Okay. So I'm going to do 44 divided by 16. I'm sorry, 144. 144 divided by 16 gives me 9. So the height is 9. Now, I want to find this area here. Okay. So how do I get from 16 to 4? What do? I divide by 4. $16 divided by 4 is 4. So whatever you do to the length, you got to do to the width. Whatever you do to the length, you got to do to the width. Whatever you do to the length, you got to do to the width. So I did 16 divided by 4. So now I got to take 9 and divide by 4 to get this width. What's 9 divided by 4? 9 divided by 4 is 2.25. So now in my handy dandy calculator, I'm going to do 2.25 times 4. What's 2.25 times 4? Well, that's 9. Okay. May I please have a thumbs up if you understand what I did there? Devon, Nina, thank you. Amaya, thank you. Alex, Denelson, thank you. Amaya, Carl Daniels. What?
Is the last part when you divide 9.
Okay, let's take a look. No problem. So the question was, see, if this here is 16 and this here is 4, in order to get from 16 to 4, I divide by 4. Does that make sense, Karen?
Yes, thank
Okay.
you.
So whatever I do to this, I've got to do to this. Since I took 16 and divided by 4, I'm going to take 9 and divide by 4. And that gives me this 2.25. So now to find 9, I'm just going to do 4 times 2.25. That gives me 9. That's the area of rectangle B. Okay, Karen?
Okay, Mr. So the answer is 9, right?
The answer is 9, right?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Same thing. Same thing. Okay, here, 9 divided by what makes 0.9? And if you don't know, take your calculator and go 9 divided by 0.9. What is 9 divided by 0.9? It gives me 10. Okay, so if I take 9 and divide by 10, I get 0.9. So here, it says the area is 63. 9 times what makes 63? 9 times 7. Okay. So if I take 9 and divide by 10 over here, I'm going to take 7 and divide by 10 down here. 7 divided by 10 is 0.7. Okay. So to find the area of rectangle D, I'm going to go 0.9 times 0.7, which is 0.63. There you go. Hey, ho, hey, ho. Same thing. Area is 440. This guy's 22. I'm going to do 440 divided by 22. That gives me 20. So this here must be 20. Because 22 times 20 is 440. How do I get to 8.8? I'm going to do 22 divided by 8.8. Oh, 2.5. So if I take 22 and divide by 2.5, I get 8.8. So I'm going to take 20 and divide by 2.5. What's 20 divided by 2.5? 8. So this guy here is 8. All right, I'm going to find the area of rectangle K now. I'm just going to go 8.8 times 8. 8.8 times 8 equals 70.4. Don't be afraid of decimal answers. That's okay. You'll get them. One more time. So what's this guy? I'm going to take 120 divided by 15. 8. All right. So 15 divided by what makes 8? Oh, I'm sorry. I take that back. 15 divided by what makes 9? I'm going to take 15 and divide by 9. I get 1.66666. 1.66666. 66. Okay. which means I'm going to take 8 and divide by 1.66666. 8 divided by 1.6. 4.8. So what's the area of rectangle X? I'm going to do 9 times 4.8. What's 9 times 4.8? 43.2. There you go. That's how it works. Okay, so today's assignment is on delta math. Okay, there's 2 assignments though. One is delta math. You'll have 4 problems that look like this. And then you'll have, I think, 8 problems that are triangles. You'll have 8 triangle problems and 4 rectangle problems. Okay. And there's a quiz. Sorry about that, but got to do it. So I just put today's quiz in the chat. Okay. Go to Delta Math to do the assignment, but make sure you also do this form today. Okay. I'm putting the grades in later today for the forms and the assignment. Okay. Go ahead and start, please. Devon, area equals 1/2 base times height. Just fill in the numbers for the letters. If they give you area, then put that number in for area. If they give you base and height, put the numbers in for base and height. Let me know if that doesn't help you. Kiara, are you still at your computer? Kiara, give me a thumbs up if you're at your computer. Otherwise, I'm marking you absent.
Mr. West,
Yes, Carl.
I did that assignment. The forms from Friday.
The one that we're doing now?
No. I'm saying I did the past one. I got
Okay.
it. I did that.
Okay. All right. Hold on a second, Alex. All right, Alex, I'm not excusing you because you do not have one assignment done this entire quarter. You have a 0 this quarter. So because of that, I'm going to ask you to do any assignment from this quarter, any assignment. Go to your grade book, click on any assignment and do it. Devon, give me 1 second. Let me, okay. All right. Let's see, I found one assignment that you've completed. Hold on. Alex, 1.2.6. First one. You see, you did the first assignment. All right, there's that one. Now, I'm going to show you something, Alex. Okay. Alex, you see, you're the top name here, okay? So, the delta math, all right? So is basically these 3 assignments here, okay? Let's see if you did today's assignment. All right, so I don't understand. You say you're finished, maybe you did the form, but you did not do this assignment today. There's an assignment on delta math. Okay, I show you have a 0. So, and you didn't do the delta math assignment distance one. You did this very first, this was the first assignment of the quarter right here. I just gave you a grade for that. You didn't do either of these two. Right. I told you that you have a delta math assignment and a quiz today. I need you to do both. So do you know how to get the delta math? If you don't, okay, all right. Okay, very good. Devon, yes, go ahead and share your screen. Okay, go ahead. That's so weird. There's no picture there.
It was a picture. I don't know what happened to it.
Can you, yeah, go back, click back. And click refresh, you know, the circle, yeah. Okay, now click back, yeah. Okay, let's try again. There we go, okay. So area equals 1/2 base times height. So area 1/24 equals 1/2 base times 1/4. You understand what I'm saying?
Can you say that again?
Yes. You have paper in front of you?
No, I was gonna put it in my notes.
Okay. Can you type like fractions in your notes?
Yeah.
Okay. Write this down. Area equals 1/2 base times height. Say okay when you've done that.
All right.
Now, it says area is 1/24. So under the word area, write 1/24. Got
Okay.
that? Okay. Equals, right? Equals 1/2 base times 1/4. You understand how we got that? Because area
Yeah.
is 1/24. We're looking for base. And then height is 1/4. Okay.
All right.
So now I basically have, I'm going to divide both sides by 1/4. You're going to do 1/24 divided by 1/4. Do you understand?
Yeah, I get it now.
Okay. So you're going to do 1/24 times 4/1. And you will get 1/6. Okay. Hit the front, there you go. There you go. What? 1/24 times 401. 1 divided by 24 times 4. I get 1/6. Oh, sorry. 1/2. Sorry. Forgot about the 1/2. Um, One 24th equals 1/2 times base times 1/4. So 1/24 equals 1/8 times b. I'm going to divide by 1/8. Okay. So your answer is going to be 1/3. Sorry about that. 1/24 divided by 1/8. You get 1/24 times 8, which will be 8/24, which is 1/3. Sorry about that. Okay, does that make sense?
Yeah, I get it now.
All right. Carl Berry, I gave you your credit for the last form, but you did not do the last Delta Math assignment. Got to do those Delta Math assignments too. I'll be right back. right, gang, I'm gonna end today's meeting. Make sure you get your work done. Have a good day. Say no to drugs.